Hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to create consolidated data. So we can see the GNI store sales sheet and you can see product quantity, cost, sales, profit for different 4 quarters. Now we have to consolidate all the quarters in one single year. We have to add all the data for 1 year. So how to do it? Let's see. I'll come in year end data sheet and I'll just click on consolidate. Now in function I can use any function as per my requirement like count, average, max, mean, product. But to consolidate data, we have to use some function. Fine. Now in the reference, I'll simply click here. Then I come in Q1 sheet and I have to select the data including headings in this way. Then I simply click on add. Now in same way, we have to select the data for quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. Fine. So quarter 2 is done. Now I have to select the quarter 3's data in same way. Just click, select and add. Fine. So all the quarter has been added. Now in use labels I have to select top rows and left column. Okay. So our data will become in that position. And in create links to source data, you have to select this. So whenever you make any kind of changes in quarter 1, 2, 3 or 4 data, it will make change in year data. Fine. Now simply click on OK button. So you can see that all the data in proper way. Okay. And it has been consolidated in proper way. Now I have to just do little bit formatting here. So you can see the quantity, cost, sales, profit and product. Now, when I click here, we can see the quarter-wise data and you can see the total also. So whenever you want to expand the product, then you have to click on plus sign. Fine. Now, once you click on second button, then it will expand all the product data, and to get in the same way you have to click on 1. Okay. Now I simply select all the data and I'll click Alter OA for auto format. Now I can select any format as per my requirement. So I'm simply going to select this one and just click OK. So you can see the formatting has been done successfully. Now I can do any kind of changes here. Like I need all the fonts in bold. Fine. Now you can change the quarter data like cheese Q1, cheese Q2. So you can write anything here. Fine. And you can also write here total cheese or something. Probably I write wrong spelling of cheese. Just ignore it. Okay. And you can see the sum function behind the numbers, and if you want to expand all, then you have to click Ctrl plus hyphen key. Fine. So in this way we can create consolidated data from the different sheets. Fine. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.